Hello students, welcome to online classes of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this class, we are going to discuss an example of finding angle between the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and r square is equal to a square into cos 2 theta. Okay, very first what to do, let us consider the given curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and r square is equal to a square into cos 2 theta. Fine. Apply log on both sides. Then it becomes logarithm of r is equal to logarithm of a plus logarithm of 1 plus cos theta. Fine. Differentiating it with respect to theta provides 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to log a will be 0. Then differentiation of this is 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta, and differentiation of this bracket provides minus sin theta. Fine. Therefore, this can be called as cot pi 1 is equal to minus sin theta. How do you write this? It can be taken as minus. Sin theta can be taken as 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta can be taken as 2 times cos square theta by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, cos get cancels with cos. Therefore, cot pi 1 is equal to minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That is nothing but minus tan theta by 2, which can be written as, further it can be written as cot of, so minus means it has to be taken as 90 degree plus theta by 2. Therefore, pi 1 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So this is the first angle between radius vector and tangent of the given curve. Therefore, second curve will be taken as usual. Again, if you apply logarithm, then it becomes 2 times log r is equal to 2 times log a plus logarithm of cos 2 theta. Okay, so differentiating it with respect to theta provides 2 into differentiation of log r is 1 by r into dr by d theta, which is equal to 2 into log a differentiation is 0 plus differentiation of cos 2 theta is 1 divided by cos 2 theta into differentiation of cos 2 theta is minus 2 into sin 2 theta. Fine. Therefore, this is 2 into cot pi 2, which is equal to minus this 2 I'll be taking out as a common term. Then inside the bracket what it is? Sin 2 theta. How do you write sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta? That is nothing but tan 2 theta. Fine. This 2 get cancelled. Therefore, cot pi 2 is equal to minus tan 2 theta. Further, it can be considered as, it can be taken as cot of 90 degree plus 2 theta, because it has to be pushed into second quadrant. Fine. So it is 90 degree plus angle. Therefore, pi 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So this is the second angle between radius vector and tangent. Fine. Therefore, angle of intersection between two curves will be considered as pi 1 minus pi 2. Okay, so let us see what it is now. Pi 1 is pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus second angle is pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Therefore, which is equal to, it can be taken as pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Therefore, pi by 2 get cancelled. Then theta by 2 minus 2 theta means it is like 2 minus half, that will be 1.5 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2. But since this is the biggest number, so it is minus 3 theta by 2. But angle of intersection will be considered as mod pi 1 minus pi 2 will be considered as 3 theta by 2 positive because it is under modulus sign. I'll be calling it as equation number 1. Equation number 1. Fine. So again we say this is not the exact result because theta is available. We need to calculate theta. We need to consider the given curve. First curve is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. I'll call it as a. Second curve is r square is equal to a square into cos 2 theta. Now we can see this is b. Now we can see either this is r is equal to something, it is r square is equal to something. Either you make this as a square or you make it a square root. So better to make it square. So it can be taken as a square into 1 plus cos theta d square. Fine. Now I'll be comparing these two results. These two results. If these two results been compared, then what happens here? We can see r square is equal to something, r square is equal to something. Therefore, equating RHS of equation A and equation B. Okay, what it will be now? A square into 1 plus cos theta d square will be equal to a square into cos 2 theta. Here a square get cancelled. Therefore, 1 plus cos theta. What is the expansion of 1 plus cos theta? It is like a plus b whole square. That is 1 square 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 times 1 into cos theta. Fine, which is equal to cos 2 theta. Which is equal to cos 2 theta. How do you write this cos 2 theta? Okay, so here, how do you write this cos 2 theta? We know that, I'll take it here. We know that cos 2 theta is nothing but, there is a formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Fine. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. But we know that I want cos square because here there is a cos square. So I will not disturb this. I'll take it as cos square theta minus, how do you write sin square theta? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Fine. This is equal to 1. Then what is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. So it is 1 minus cos square theta. Fine. So this is equal to cos square theta minus 1 minus of minus plus cos square theta. So it can be taken as cos square plus cos square 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? Therefore, this cos 2 theta can be taken as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Therefore, this is 2 times cos square theta minus 1. Therefore, 2 cos square theta, if it is been kept here, and this cos square if it is been taken to the other end, then it becomes, this becomes cos square theta. Fine. This is taken to the other end, it is minus 2 cos theta. Then this 1 is also taken to the other end, it becomes minus 1. So minus 1 will be minus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. So is it not, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved by using the formulae. What is that formula? Theta is equal to minus b plus or minus under square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is equal to, here what happens? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 2. Fine. Minus 2. It is like a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 2 here. Therefore, it becomes cos theta is equal to minus b, means minus of minus 2 plus or minus under square root. Okay, so b square is nothing but minus 2 square. Okay, plus minus 4 into a is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2 divided by 2 times a is 1. Therefore this is 2 plus or minus under square root. This is 2 square is 4 plus minus of minus, this is 8 divided by 2. Fine, which is equal to, what is this now? 2 plus or minus under square root. 8 plus this is 12 divided by 2. This 12 can be taken as 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Then when that 4 comes out, then it becomes 2. Then 2 will be common. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 2. If it is taken common, then it is 1 plus or minus under square root 3. Then 2 get cancelled. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 plus or minus root 3. Clear? But one thing to be kept in mind. What is that? If this is so, then cos theta will be plus root 3 or 1 minus root 3. But there is a condition. We know that since cos theta cannot exceed 1 numerically. This we know. Cannot exceed 1 means 1 plus root 3 cannot be taken. 1 plus root 3 cannot be considered here. That is not possible only. Okay. Then what to do? When that cannot be taken, then very first thing what to do now? This has to be simplified further. How do you simplify further? You can see. I'll take a next page. So, since cos theta is equal to 1 plus or minus root 3, but we cannot take, I'll take it 1 plus root 3, or cos theta is equal to 1 minus root 3. So in this part cannot be taken. We can consider this part because cos theta cannot exceed 1. Okay, this is the result. But here again still there is a jumbling that cos theta is equal to this and theta will be cos inverse of 1 minus root 3 and all. So we need further more simple result. When we need more simple result, then what to do? We will take it as consider cos theta is equal to 1 minus root 3. Fine. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus root 3. Clear? Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus root 3. Still there is a jumbling. So I'll continue from here now. I'll continue from here instead of this. We know that cos theta can be written as 1 minus 2 times sine square theta by 2. Fine. This you forget. Which is equal to 1 minus root 3. Fine. So therefore, when this term goes to other end, then it becomes minus 2 into sine square theta by 2 is equal to, this 1 will go to the other end, it becomes 1 minus root 3 minus 1. So 1 get cancelled. Therefore, minus got balanced. So 2 times sine square theta by 2 is equal to root 3. Therefore, sine square theta by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. Fine. Root 3 by 2. Clear? Therefore, this can be written as, I'll put everything under square root, then it becomes root 3 by 4 because 4 is nothing but 2 square. When it is kept under root, it will be again back to original position. Then what is sine theta by 2? Sine theta by 2 is nothing but if you want to remove this square, then apply square root on both sides. Then it becomes square root of means square root of 3 by 4, which is nothing but square root of 3 by 4 raised to 1 by 2. Fine, that raised to 1 by 2. Already root is nothing but 1 by 2 only, so it becomes 3 by 4 raised to 1 by 4. Fine. Then what is theta by 2? That is nothing but sine inverse 3 by 4 raised to 1 by 4. Clear? So this is theta by 2. Theta by 2. Then therefore theta is equal to 2 times sine inverse 3 by 4 raised to 1 by 4. So this is the angle. So substituting this value, substitute theta is equal to 2 times sine inverse 3 by 4 raised to 1 by 4 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1 now? Equation number 1 says 3 theta by 2. 3 theta by 2. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes mod pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to 3 times theta by 2, means 3 by 2 into theta, that is 2 times sine inverse 3 by 4 raised to 1 by 4. So here 2 get cancelled. Therefore, mod pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to